Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of ginger. This humble root packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Here are 10 scientific facts about eating ginger every day and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's get started! Fact 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Host ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which can alleviate joint pain and improve overall health. Try adding a slice of ginger to your morning smoothie. Fact 2. Digestive aid. Host struggling with digestion? Ginger can help. It stimulates digestive juices and can reduce bloating and gas. A cup of ginger tea after meals can do wonders. Fact 3. Nausea relief. Host. Ginger is well known for its ability to combat nausea, including morning sickness in pregnant women and motion sickness. Keep some ginger candies handy or sip on ginger tea when you feel queasy. Fact 4. Boosts immunity. Host packed with antioxidants, ginger can boost your immune system, helping your body fight off infections. A warm cup of ginger tea with lemon and honey is a great way to stay healthy. Fact 5. Pain relief. Host. Did you know ginger can act as a natural pain reliever? It's effective against menstrual pain and migraines. Consider using ginger-infused balms or oils for topical relief. Fact 6. Lowers blood sugar levels. Host studies suggest that ginger can lower blood sugar levels and improve heart disease risk factors. Try adding fresh ginger to your salad dressings or stir-fries for a healthy kick. Fact 8. Improves brain function. Host ginger's antioxidants and bioactive compounds can inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain, potentially improving cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline. A cup of ginger tea while you study or work can be beneficial. Fact 9. Aids in weight loss. Host ginger can help with weight loss by boosting metabolism and aiding fat burning. Infuse your water with ginger slices for a refreshing and healthy drink. Fact 10. Improves heart health. Host ginger may reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Incorporate ginger into heart-healthy recipes, like a ginger spiced salmon, to enjoy its benefits. Host. So there you have it. 10 scientific facts about the benefits of eating ginger every day and easy ways to incorporate it into your life. From teas to meals, ginger is a versatile and powerful addition to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes.